And unfortunately, nauwi kami sa contempt kasi yung Ambassador Lacanlilaw, harap-harapan naman ng nagsisinungaling. Sobrang bakakon naman, ibang level naman. Kaya hindi na natiis ni Senator Bato at pinakontempt. Kaso, rinilis kagad ni SP at mukhang natawagan, biglang may show cause. Nagulat nga ako because there's no show cause in any part of the rules of the Senate. So I was quite surprised in this intervention in what should really be the power and function of the committee. So nandyan tayo ngayon. Ngayon, nagtatanong kung may fourth pa, kung may fourth hearing. Sina Senator Bato, gusto pa rin ng fourth hearing, pati sina Senator Robin, sina Senator Cayetano. Ang problema ko, sino ang testigo? Wala akong testigo eh. Lahat nagdi-deny na alam nila na nandito na pala, ilang buwan na nandito pala yung mga ICC na investigator, lawyer, security expert, interpreter. They were all here from October and perhaps they're still here. I'm not really sure because I heard that they have been here for months on end. At hindi ako sigurado kung nandito pa nga eh. Lahat sila denied to death.